Switching providers, a guide to making informed choices. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we're going to explore a very practical topic that you might come across in everyday conversations, especially when dealing with services like internet, mobile phones, or even utilities. We're talking about switching providers. Whether you're new to this concept or just looking to understand it better, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and demystify what it means to switch providers and how it's a part of modern consumer behavior. At its core, switching providers refers to the act of changing from one service provider to another. This could involve services such as your internet, mobile phone, electricity, or even healthcare services. The reasons for making a switch can vary widely, from seeking better rates, improved service quality, to getting additional features that another provider offers. Understanding this term is crucial because it empowers you to make informed decisions about the services you use on a daily basis. People switch providers for a multitude of reasons. Key among these are cost savings. Often, other providers may offer the same service at a lower cost, prompting a switch. Better service. If a provider offers better customer service or a more reliable product, customers may switch to take advantage of these improvements. More features or benefits. Sometimes, a switch is driven by the desire for services or features that the current provider does not offer. Dissatisfaction. Poor service or unresolved issues can drive consumers to look for alternatives. Understanding these motivations can help you assess your own situation and decide whether switching providers could benefit you. Switching providers can seem daunting, but it's often simpler than it appears. Here's a basic outline of steps involved. 1. Research. Look into potential new providers, comparing their services, costs, and reviews. 2. Check the terms of your current contract. Be aware of any termination fees or conditions. 3. Contact the new provider. Inquire about the process of switching and any offers they might have for new customers. 4. Inform your current provider. Sometimes, they might offer better terms to keep you as a customer. 5. Make the switch. If you decide to proceed, follow the new provider's process to become their customer. Remember, the exact process can vary depending on the service and country, but these steps provide a good starting point. Switching providers is a decision that can lead to significant benefits, whether it's saving money, getting better service, or accessing new features. It's all about making informed choices that best suit your needs and preferences. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to switch providers and how you can go about it if you choose to. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and explanations. See you in the next video.